So after that, we need to analyze the results. Click on analyze results. See, results will be loading. So we should wait for the until 100% is loaded. So test is completed. Now you can observe total maximum running users I executed with the 50. So you can observe we are increased for the number of users. Throughput will be increased. See now what is the throughput? What is the throughput?
Bytes received
by server.
Yes. So when we are increased for the number of users, throughput is increased and it's also increased. See total hits will be 6,000. Average hits will be 4,000. Means when we are increased for the number of users, our throughput will be generated and assembly hits will be happen. So now what we can do, we need to check for the each and every transaction response time, how much it is taking. See now you can observe previous we are executed just 10 users. We are not meet for the 1 second also, but here you can observe each and every transaction within SLA we got. Our SLA will be 2 seconds. So we got for a within SLA only. Everyone able to see?
Yeah.
So after that, what we can do, we need to prepare the report. Before preparing, we need to observe further these graphs also, running user graphs, how it is happen, hit per second graph and throughput graph and transaction summary graph, average graph. So we need to add for any on the graph means click on add graph, new add graph, and we have the different will be there in view user point of view. You have to running users and view summary, user summary means you can add this graph. And transactions, we have the different transactions will be there. And web resources, you want to add, I want for the HTTP status code summary graph. So I'm adding for this one. So after that, what we can do, we need to merge a graph. For example, I want to merge it per second and throughput. In come to in this graph and click on this merge graph. And I want to merge with the it per second versus throughput. So I doing for the overlap. See it is how it is overlapped. So each and every graph means we need to add for the throughput and response, average response. So you can merge and graph. You can see for the how the graphs will be merged. Means it is inversely proportional, directly proportional. So for this one, we need to merge means we have the some granularity will be there. Where is granularity? Yes, this is the granularity, set granularity. Means by merging graphs, we need to give for the in between some gap, right? That will be by default will be we need to give for the 60 seconds. So what are the graphs? Merged graphs only it will applicable. So you can click on here. Now you can observe some difference will came. Some gap will be came. Everyone observe. Otherwise you can give now as a granularity 0. Now you can observe. I think granularity less than 5. Minimum is a 5. See now you can observe it means no gap in between the graph to graph. So it's a granularity nothing but it is saturation point of the two graphs. So by default you can give for the 60, then everyone is able to see means okay how the graph is there. So it is merged or not. So we are face any issue or not, we need to see. Okay, everyone understand? So like that, this is the granularity, and after that each and every options we are not explained, right? So here will be this is for the open existing analysis means already it is there. You need to open means you can click on that one and open for the already existing the analysis file. This is the save current analysis. Means what are the current analysis will be there? You need to save means you can give for the name of the test. 50 users FB underscore 50 users test. I'm saving this one. In C users in documents, it is saving. So after save this one, you can see for the, now we can see for the one main options. Again for here, you can observe this is for the cross results, means we have the two results will be there. We need to cross results means you can add one more results file. Documents, and how the results file will be there. Yeah. So I think we are not saved many results file here. Analysis file I am able to save. Here is Apache Jmeter, continue projects. So okay. So means we need to add for here one more. This is the one results file. You need to add one more, and you need to cross check. Means you need to cross results. Means you need to check for compare these two results. Means previous test what is the results happen. Current test what is the results happen. So same load will be 50 users load only. Okay. Then you can click on add and click on OK. Means it will merge the load and it will show for the all the differences. That is will be then this is for the print current item, means it will print. See it, you need to generate HTML report, means you can click on this, it is automatically this report will be generated. So now I am saving here in desktop will save. In documents only will give for the report some 2 3 4 and you can save it. In documents 50 user test, it is saving. See, it is creating a HTML report. So this HTML report, if it is there in our analysis file, means analyzer tool and load runner install only, it will open for everyone. Otherwise, in everyone it will not open. You don't have in an analysis file, then it is not open for this component will be not there. So that is why mostly we not prefer for the HTML report, but sometimes we want internal, means we need to send to the particular team members, means we can create as HTML report. We need to send. Okay. So it is generated. Now we can see the where in folder in documents. I given 50 is a test, right? Where it is saved? Anyone observed? So not this one. If we see means where it is, means we'll click on this, means it will know for that one where it is there. 50 is the test. It's not so. This is the runtime settings. Just what are the settings we set for this particular scenario? It will show for the view script, or means it will show the schedule scenario, means it will show view RTS, means runtime settings. means already what are the settings you set, means it will show for these settings also. For each and every script we are giving for the different, right? You need to set that one. And this is the global filter will be there. So we need to filter, means we need to select for any one of these, and this is for the each and every transactions. So you need to add for any one of transaction, means is I want to add for the payment transaction, means you can select this one. So just this is the scenario elapsed time. How it is the scenario elapsed time? Scenario elapsed time nothing but what is the elapsed time? The test duration time starting to ending, means 0 to 21 minutes it is executed. So just we need to set these things, and after that click on OK. So it is applying for the global filter settings. Okay, so this is global filter, and after that this is the configure SLA. See, this is also important for us. So you want to configure SLA, means SLA nothing but service level agreement. So each and click on new service level agreement, and after that next we need to transaction response time will be there. You want percentage mode or average, means we can select as a average mode. Okay, in transaction response time I'm taking for this as a SLA. For each and every transaction I need, first one will be adding for the launch and login, and after that click on flights button and flight booking and select flight, and after that payment and sign up. So click on next, and we need to give for the here our SLA less than 2 seconds, or it is greater than equal to, means we need to select here in between. So I'm giving you the in between like greater than or equal to 2, means if it is greater than or equal to 2, means our SLA will be 2 seconds. So that is why I given for this. Next click on this. See, I said is equal to or greater than. Click on and apply. So it is applying for the our SLA. Means we need to compare to here only. So we can see for now results in summary report. See, is SLA, it will applicable for the SLA, and we need to see for the we are meeting SLA or not. It is checking. This is the point. So we are getting for the not only it is applicable to for the average, it is applicable to the maximum also. That is why see here it is equal to 2 or greater than 2. That is why it is came as a into mark, means we are may not meet the SLA. In maximum also it is not matched, and maybe here also it is showing as a 250, means it is a SLA we are meet or not, we need check, means we can give further this one. Otherwise you need to change for that one, means you can come to here. Already this one is there, you can click on edit and next and next, and already we added here, right? You need change for the like less than 1 second we can give. So we can give for the here different things will be there. Transaction per second, transaction per server. So we need what is the we need to give, means we need to select that one. I want transaction per second graph, me or I want throughput. So based on that we need this one. But select measurement will be transaction response time of criteria will be load users, running users. So I'm giving for the 1 or greater than equal, then click on next, and see here you can observe is a greater than 1 or equal to 1. Apply to all transactions and click on next. Define another SLA, means you can select another, means you can select this one and click on finish, means you can select another one. So I want no need for another one. Just I want save as. See again it is applying, means what are the changes it will happen once you can done that SLA configuration. Not only here, you need to give for here also in SLS, where in controller also we can give. In while design the scenario, we can add here also new and same thing next, and here we can select as the average, and after that you need to add what are the transactions we have, click on and apply, and it is applicable. Once test is completed, automatically it will generate it with the SLS. Okay, so after this is the Anchor SLA. This is for the analyze the transactions. You need to analyze the transactions, means you can click on this. See, creating is the chart with a transactions graph. For you need to give for the timelines also, how much time to how much time you need drill down, means you can select that one. You can just click on this, then it will show for the generate report, means only for this transaction point of only we can build for the report. Show time range, suggestions, SLA validations, or anything it is asking. So you want only running users. So just click on generate report. See, it is a report is generated. So now we can observe further this report. So how it is will be there in here. Once we can click on this, right? How no, it's analyze transaction. How it is will be there? It is as a generate as a reported. Same, means graphical oriented. Each and every transaction you can select each and transaction. It will different for the, means one transaction how it is happen, means how it will be hit for the application and login, launch, flight booking. So each and every function how many times it will happen, it will showing as a graphical oriented. You can select one by one, it will show for all. See, this is the time duration we are given here. That is why it will taking this one. You can give as a in starting onwards, means you can give for the 0, 0, and 0, and it will filter. So like this we can add for this, means we can add for this one. Already this is the completed, right? So now where we are in up to here is completed, right? This is the apply filter summary page, means we can apply. So this after that this is everything will be same. File, open, new, save, edit. Edit means we want edit, it means we can edit. Summary filter means we can add a summary report or export a summary as a to Excel, means you can click on Excel. It will automatically generate as for the report as a Excel. So it is a report to generate as a Excel. See, entire report will be generated. Now we can observe for the report, means see, these are the important for us. Once we can report at this one, we need to select as a like what are the transactions we need. We can take a Control C. We can arrange for the only minimum, average, max. Already I told, right? I want for the arrange for the orders, like first will be what launch and login and everything. You can give as a minimum, average, maximum for each and every test. Okay, everyone understand? I want for the 10 user test, 20, 30, 40, 50 user test with the minimum, average, maximum for the each and every transaction. Everyone can send mail. This is for the 10 users test. So you can add for the this tab, and you can give for the 20 users, 30, and you can add for the click on this sheet, and you can add for the 1, 2, 3, 4 results. Once test executed only. So these are the graphs. We can add graph means we can here too also we can add the graph, and otherwise here also will be there. This is the report format. We need to report new report or report template or HTML report means we can add. This is the tools and windows and help. So these are entire analysis part. So I've been now once analysis completed, we need to generate report means report template. So for here, we need to create our own format also. For we want to for any format or we need to add for any, I want for particular point of view, only this need I point of view. Only I need for the transaction summary or only I need for the any analysis graphs. So you can select that one, you can generate as a your own format also. Okay. So I want for the detailed report. So I'm clicking the generate report. Its report is generating. See, so report is generated. Major thing will be in you can Excel sheet. You can mention these things like scenario name and run time, run date, and period and duration. And after that, this everything will be no need. And you need to take for this also measurements each and every. For example, running user will be first test will be 10, and what is the hits, what is the total, and what is the total possible transactions and per minute, and means we need for this also important. And after that we need for the graphical oriented, we'll see later. So we need for the this is the important transaction summary. No need take for the action and user and user in it, only for you need to maintain as a order launch, login, and click on flights and flight booking and find flight and sign up. So the payment and sign up. So each and every one only you can mention these things minimum, average, max. No need for this all things. You can mention means you can mention only pass count. Each and every transaction pass count. And apart from this, no need for this all. And each and every graph you can copy and paste it. This is the running user graph with this. This is also you can copy this and paste it. So what we can do means you can save will be there, right? You can click on save and export as a CSV file or a Excel file, means it is automatically export as a Excel file. And after that, what are things you need, you can use it, and remaining you can delete. See, it's a generated report. So now we can observe entire results will be came. See, running user graph and everything will be there. Just to what are the transactions we need? We need to copy those transactions. You can keep in another Excel sheet. So this is once generated. You can, for example, I want to for the launch first transaction. I will cut this one and copy for the another sheet. And after the login law payment. And what are the things we need? We can copy and paste it. So for example, we need for the measurement for this also. You can copy and paste it and prepare the document like this. So I will show you for here only for just for your understanding purpose. So we need for the general details, these things, no need, right? And delete nothing. Okay, I want only for this one. And after that, so each and everyone please observe. And I want for the each and everyone, I'm expecting for the today mail. Each and everyone can do and send for mail. So in real time also happens same thing. That is why I'm giving for this assignment for everyone. So you can select this one, you can copy and paste it. And after that, transaction summary. Performance overview, no need. Transaction summary. Only I want only minimum average match and with arrange with the. You can give as a transaction name T01, T02, T03, right? You can give same thing. You can mention as a maintain as a serial. And after that, we need to add for the graphs. Running user graph. You need to add the graph along with this also. And after that, hit per second graph. And after the throughput graph. And after that, transaction summary graph. And after that, average response time graph. And after that, STP status code cost summary. And after that, you merged any graphs, you can send this also. So up to now is enough. No need for the remaining. Okay, got it right, everyone? Hello?
Yes, Sriram.
So everyone can do for today and send mail.
Okay.
All results will be put in one. You can click on here plus group, and this is the 10 users, 20, 30, 40, 50 user test. Okay.
Okay.
And as same to the here where we are in, yeah. I want for the server side resource also, means CPU memory utilization also. Each and every you can go to the logs and you can see the right, you can change it as a name. 50 users. I'm giving as a resource utilization, nothing but CPU and memory. So you can zip it and send to for the each and everyone. I will look on that after that. Okay. So I think everyone fine, right?
Sir, in performance monitor, in reports app, how can we delete that from some file?
Sorry.
In reports,
Hmm.
how can we delete file?
File means this.
No, sir. This one in performance monitor.
Okay, performance monitor. Okay. Yeah. How to we can delete the files, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If
For
I want to
example,
delete
here
demo.
will be there. I want delete anything. I want local use, no need. So you can click on this one. Delete.
No, sir. I want to delete demo.
Demo. Just you can click here, right bit, and click on delete. Got it right?
Not getting. Okay, sir. I'll try.
Yeah. So I'm expecting for everyone. Everyone can do for the teamwork, whatever maybe you can do it, and please send for results for everyone. Hi. Today I executed with the 10 user, 50 user. And duration will be, everyone can run the duration. Minimum duration will be, each test will be 30 minutes. Okay. Each test will be 30 minutes. Ramp up, you can give as a 5 seconds or 2 seconds. That is your wish. While during the test, you are finding any observations also, you can keep in the mail. Like in 10 user test, I observed for the, I got for the these errors. Okay. So each and everything you can mention for the mail. I will see for the who will be do for the effectively send for mail with observations. I am expecting for this everyone. Okay, please miss and we'll catch up tomorrow. And tomorrow I will give for the performance center. I will, if anyone now is fine, I will show for the performance center also. One video will be there. Everyone fine, or we can do tomorrow?
Yeah. I'm okay from my side.
Okay, then I will show you for the performance center also. Then you guys can. So like it is also one of the controller only, but this is the different for the see. See, this is the performance center. So everyone can see in below, this is the testing tab. In the testing tab, we can observe test resources, test plan, test lab, and one more time slot will be there. So now is creating for the test plan. In the test plan is creating for the new test, first thing. Just is creating the folder name, user scripts, means what are the our views and scripts is giving as a user script. In that is adding for the views and scripts. How is adding? See, click on this upload views and scripts, and after that, before that you need to zip the file. See, is zipped all the scripts. Everyone able to see online zip and these things, and import selecting and is adding for the all the scripts. Already he done for the script zipping. See, he done for the one web2 script also. And after that, we can click on the upload button. See, it will upload the all the scripts.
Sriram, can we all select and make the scripts as zip file?
Yes, yes. In performance center or application lifecycle management, ALM, both we can do as a select as a. See, after that, it is successfully downloaded. It is uploaded. It will show. You can now click on plus. Then it will see for the all the scripts. What are the scripts we are downloaded? So you can see for right hand side is a test name. This is the test name and creation and protocol. What type of protocol? And this is a test ID and designer. It means who are designed these things and status and runtime. See, so he went for the test script. See, able to see the scripts also. So like this, we can do for the in performance center. Everyone able to see, right? So after that, schedule by scenario, schedule by group, everything will be same. I will send the each and everyone for the in our group for performance center. One document will be there. I will send document with the screenshots will be there.